Symptoms of a bad tensioner pulley. There are numerous components that must cooperate with one another in order for your car to function properly. The tensioner pulley is one of these modest but crucial components. A tensioner pulley applies the necessary pressure and aids in maintaining the belt's tension and alignment using a spring-loaded arm or a hydraulic actuator. The tensioner pulley on a drive belt system is spring-loaded to maintain the serpentine belt's appropriate tension and alignment. So, let's learn about the symptoms of a bad tensioner pulley. Weird noises. The noise is typically the first thing to be noted when the tensioner pulley begins to malfunction. The belts will start to squeak or chirp as the tensioner becomes looser. When you first turn on the engine, you might detect this sound the loudest. It becomes very irritating and is the most common grievance among car owners. It is common for the noise to change as the bearing or pulley totally wears out. Even more concerning is the possibility that the pulley will now begin to grind. Burnt odor. The serpentine belt will loosen and start to slide on the accessory pulleys if the tensioner pulley is damaged and unable to tension the belt appropriately. While driving, this may cause your automobile to smell like burned rubber. You should inspect the belt and tensioner pulley as soon as you can if you smell burnt material. Excessive belt wear. You can begin to have issues with the belt itself if the drive belt tensioner or pulley starts to malfunction. There may be problems with the pulley if the tensioner fails. The belt edges may begin to fray as a result. In the worst case scenario, you can end up with a broken belt, which is never nice. The pulley should be changed ideally before things deteriorate to this point. Failing accessories. The belt, which operates a variety of accessories like the alternator, water pump, and air conditioner compressor in most cars, is held in place by the tensioner and pulley. Power to these components is lost if the belt breaks or gets slack. You'll lose access to these items, and odd problems can start to appear. The engine could overheat, the alternator could stop charging, and the air conditioning could cease working. The tensioner spring-loaded tensioner pulley is located at the end of the tensioner. The spring-loaded component of the arrangement applies tension to the auxiliary belt as it travels across the pulley. To prevent it from slipping off the pulleys, it needs to be under the proper amount of strain. Sometimes the component that breaks down isn't the tensioner. Because of this, you can buy a pulley as a replacement rather than a tensioner. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.